Hey, we are the Robotics team at C Studio.
We launched our reBot-DevArm project in February and quickly hit over 1,000 stars on GitHub. Today, we're so excited to share reArm is available soon to global developers. We want to share the story and the scene behind the project. Our reBot started with a very simple question. Why is it so hard to build a reliable robot arm?
We kept hearing the same feedback from developers around the world, like server-based arm jitter, lack precision, and can't reproduce researching results. What people really wanted was clear: a robot arm that is high precision, low cost, and fully open source, capable of both research and real-world applications.
But building that wasn't easy. We have to solve challenges from the ground up, finding the right joint motor with the best cost-performance balance, designing a structure with a stay precise over time, and keeping everything affordable. We move away from the pure 3D printing, instead combining CNC, sheet metal, and 3D printing to ensure both strength and consistency.
And building hardware isn't just about the design. The supply chain plays a huge role, sometimes even more important. Instead of reinventing every component, we use mature and ready-to-go solutions. For example, our models come from Brushless and also DAMIAO. They're already used by global users. And also, we have taken a long time working with suppliers on every single component. All of our design follows reliable, scalable, and also cost-effective. With the supply chain, we were able to push the cost down without compromising any quality.
reBot didn't appear overnight. It started with CAD sketches, followed by countless iterations, design reviews, assembly, testing, and refinement again and again.
From early prototypes, we brought our reBot-DevArm and it showcased at NVIDIA GTC 2026. It was very exciting. So we saw very real and strong interest from the customers and the developers. reBot gradually took the shape there.
So today, reBot is more than just hardware. It's a modular, developer-ready platform, supporting precise motion control, simulation, and real-world deployment. We validated through teleoperation with LeRobot framework, long-duration stress test, load testing, and repeatability validation for precision and fast operation. Every detail is built for reliability.
On the software side, reBot-DevArm integrated seamlessly with simulation tools like NVIDIA XSim and Dynamics library like Pinocchio. It also supports ROS 1 and ROS 2.
Motor Bridge provides a lightweight ROS-power control stack core for flexible motor configurations, enabling simultaneous multi-motor control in any programming language.
More importantly, reBot-DevArm is compatible with the mainstream algorithms by the LeRobot framework. It supports Brute and also P0 and other VLA models, and also it supports Isaac Sim.
reBot brings physical AI to the edge. You can run Isaac Manipulator with CoolMotion for GPU-accelerated motion planning. And the ARM is fully compatible with VLA models like Brute that takes multi-model input to perform manipulation tasks in diverse environments. And you can deploy these models on edge on various recomputer Jetson devices. Plus, the robot integration of Isaac Brute, you can now enjoy your end-to-end pipeline from simulation to deployment, low latency, and built for real-world intelligence.
And most importantly, reBot is built for use. From time operation tasks like workloads lifting to dual arm coordination, cleaning your table, to everyday tasks like open a microwave, reBot is designed for research and real-world deployment. We're continuing to expand the ecosystem with new tutorials, documentation, support for more sensors like depth camera, and integrate with AI computing brain.
reBot is open source for learning and exploration. For commercial use, we are building a path together with the community. Contact us email to edgeai@c.cc, we'll find a way.
This is just the beginning. If you're interested in building with reBot, exploring robotics, reproducing research, or deploying real applications for home, for kitchen, for factory, just check out the project on GitHub and join us in shaping what open robotics can become. So start a repo
And register for pre-orders.